want to move this intake boot right here. Use a 7mm socket. Loosen up the worm clamp. Grab the boot, slide it back. Now down below there's another worm clamp. If you can get on that, you want to loosen that up just to give you more room. Same 7mm socket. And grab the boot, just wiggle it back and forth, and you can slide it out. You can just move the hose out of the way. It is attached down below to another hose. Now we can access the connector right here. Disconnect the connector. Might need a pick. You want to get a pick on this side of it. Release the lock. Just get under there and slide it off. Pull this bolt out here, use a 10mm socket. There's a little tab right there. You want to get underneath that tab just with a straight blade screwdriver. And that can just sit there. And just slide this up and out. It kind of twists a little bit. You can grab the air box and just pull it straight up. Now take a T30 socket, and right next to the solenoid, up a little bit, there is a screw. You want to take that screw out. And there's the screw. I just grab the solenoid. Might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Just wiggle it back and forth and slide it out. Take a little bit of motor oil and just coat the valve. And that's good. Now very carefully, we're going to slide the valve in position. Get it lined up. Push it down, should be good. Very carefully slide it in position. And tighten that down. All right. And I'm going to torque that to 70 inch-pounds. And we can plug that back in. Get this snorkel lined up. While I have the air box off, I'll just tighten that down. Makes it a little easier. Now take the air box, line that up. Push that down. Get that bolt lined up. Before I tighten that down, we'll just put this one on. That hose in there. Put this bolt in. And snug both of these down. Connect the connector, lock it down, and tighten down the worm clamp. The procedure for the front VVT solenoid is going to be the same. There is nothing in front of it. You can just access the bolt and the connector's right there. It's a lot easier than the back one.